see how it goes. Yeah, the artist. We'll see. Who knows?
Oh yeah, on the north end of the park. Yeah. Terry lives in. Yeah. Oh, we're in a video.
Yeah, I got you. It's going straight to the FBI. Don't you worry. If the FBI's not interested, no.
Hey, Terry, she lives in Morningside.
Right by, I guess, North Rossland Road. There's like a little roundabout.
Yeah? Yeah. There's a big roundabout.
Or the roundabout.
No, you don't. Nobody lives there. It's a poorly designed roundabout.
It is, it really is.
They made it too easy to get around. Say again?
Poorly designed country roundabout.
Oh, I was through there, yeah.
Well, yeah. I mean, the best roundabout is at Emory, and that roundabout at Emory has changed my life for the better. It's so good. Yeah, and you get through there quicker and safer. And as a bartender, all important. I think one of the gallery owners is missing.
Yeah, he's in Thailand.
Oh, that's right. I hate him. I hate his guts. Sure. In Thailand, come on.
Oh, you did? It's really expensive. Like a little bit. It's kind of expensive. Like it's not that much, but it's like you really get 2 bottles of things mixed together.
It just looks like $90 a gallon. But it's supposed to last forever. I don't know. I mean, we'll see. I'm just trying to get it figured out.
I can do Gmail and
You got loads of chemicals in your apartment? Probably. They're not like that. They frown down on the chemicals.
these guys and other artists I know that are.
We have 100,000.
As well. Yes, I know. Yes, that's the problem that I have too, and I like that you bring up cat photos.
I was trying to make a joke. I didn't think he was. I didn't seem very happy.
Thank you. It's a pleasure talking to you. I'm glad. Actually, I was trying to distract my brain. I tried to worry. Now I've talked to you before.
You know what it is?
My memory is not very good for me.
Seriously, he was like, oh, just sit there and yeah, what the Julie
It's okay. No, we're good.
I went for the opening actually. My friend Jay was like, the killer one. Remember Ben was talking about that party? I thought about it because
Yeah, I just thought.
It's okay. It's people are the best part of this to be. And when the girls smile at the camera, it's the best thing. I think the guys like it anyway.
Some great work.
Oh, I love these. God, I thought it'd be great to get those and just put those in a bowl on your coffee table.
These different dissections of the finger.
Yeah, it's not focusing. Just, 6 little pieces of art on every piece. Oh, glary. Fly by here. It works. Oh, glary. Okay, we almost did it. Almost done. Oops, for me. Which one do you like? This one? With the erectium up there? What do they call these? They call them, look up to me. If it was men, it'd be Atlanta. Atlas is holy of the world. For ladies, they call, I should know, I'm supposed to know. This is just a scream.
So positive, a negative, a goodbye, no hello.
Oh man, the cookies all gone, but the artist, oops, it's not focusing. It's not focusing. I've lost focus. What else is new?